Heading to Rosario, gonna cross the, I guess, Rosario Channel, and then it's 10:26, so it should take about 4 hours. You're a good dad. On our way to Cascade Lake.
From where?
Rosario.
Yes. Resort and spa.
Yeah. Making our way around the Cascade Lake.
You made it. Who's gonna finish first?
Yeah. The front there. Yeah, awesome.
Like I can't eliminate cannonball on you.
Winstallation, this is Rapture, doing a radio check, over. Rapture, this is Winstallation, we can hear you. Rapture, stand by, 7-3.
We're just sailing back and forth before we go into Lopez. Nice sailing day. We're going 3.5 knots, 4.1 knots now.
We are
4.2.
wow, we're smoking.
We're smoking.
If you could live anywhere else in the world, where would it be?
Here. On the boat. We just left Lopez Marina, heading straight to Harbour-Friday. We're sailing, pretty windy, well enough wind. We got 5 knots, the engine's up, trying to sail all the way there. We'll see how we do. Nice day.
Permission to come aboard. Come in. Good boy.
The only incorporated area in San Juan County, so we're the county seat by default.
It's Friday, August 5th. We've checked in at Roche Harbor. The town or the marina is quite quaint.
Yeah.
Last night we were at Friday Harbor. We were there for 2 nights. Very lovely there as well. We definitely will go back. So far, we'll not go back to Lopez.
And what else did we do? We took transit.
Oh right, we did the
To
hop on, hop
Kiln.
off.
Yeah.
Lime Kiln Park, and we went to that lavender field, and we stopped by Roche briefly, didn't hop off, and then we went back to Lime Kiln Park for the sunset watching at 8:44. Quite quaint, but we're gonna just go out for a bit, for a couple hours to go whale watching, because we don't want to miss out. Just been fearing that Winspiration will see whales and we're not there. Of course, now that we're going, we probably won't see whales. Who knows? But we'll go out for a couple hours. See some whales. Pina colada. You can make some today. Oh well, do you have anything? We just left Roche Harbor, heading to Blakely Marina, and we'll drop off Rapture and then continue on to Anacortes for tonight. So hopefully we'll get to Anacortes around 6 or so.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Who got a sweatshirt today?
Guess from where? Roche. And 2 bags. Well,
And 2 bags.
toiletries. We stopped by at Blakely's. What is it?
Blakely?
Oh, Blakely Island Marina. Cut!
Winter, back here.
We're here at
Winter.
Blakely Marina.
Not there yet.
Yep.
Stopped by for a quick smoothie, some milkshake, washrooms. Rapture's coming in. We'll probably just wave to them as we head out.
We did such a nice job of preserving the space on the dock. Look at that.